Hey guys, let's check out Wakefit mattress. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. आप कैसे हो? नल्ला इरकिंगला. As you see here, we have ordered Wakefit mattress. You have at 50% off on Amazon and Flipkart stores. You can check out my description box or tap on view products to buy one because it's budget friendly and gives you value for money. Let's check out the detailed review now. It comes with vacuum sealed packing. You just have to roll out to open up. As you're watching in the video, a knife is given with which you can open the pack. Once you open the pack, it inflates itself to its original position of mattress. And let me tell you, this is made up of 100% pure foam and includes all the natural materials used in making this bed. It is made up of 3 layers. And here you can see the quality bed cover is given. You can open up and see how the mattress is inside. This bed is breathable and keeps you the heat out. Of course, you need not worry, in winters it keeps you warm. And let me tell you, this has 7 ergonomic zones that reduces the pressure points on your body, and it is ortho support mattress. That means it gives you good back support or structural support while you sleep, improves your sleep quality. It's comfortable, soft. It gives relief from your pain once you sleep on the bed. You can sleep tight, have a peaceful sleep. It's bouncy, soft, and gives you a cushion support. But let me tell you, it is a 6-inch thickness bed, so it's a red flag. It says it can take up to 80 kg weight. So if any of you are above 80 kgs, go for 8-inch thickness mattress. So here comes the big question, whether this mattress is prone to sagging or sinking over a period of time. But the answer is no from Wakefit, because it is made up of true technology. As you see here, it is bouncy and soft. You can check out the stability by sitting or jumping on it, or else you can check the firmness by going for motion stability test. As you're watching here, we have placed a glass of water onto the mattress. A person sat beside it and kept on jumping and moving, and the water is stable, did not overflow. So we can conclude the bed is firm, right? It is resistant to dust mites and allergens also. Here you can see we are unboxing 100% waterproof mattress cover, which you can put onto the bed to prevent water spilling or any liquids onto your bed or mattress. So you can have a longer durability with the 100% waterproof mattress cover. Do check out the product if you want in the description box or tap on view products. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.